This is a test. This truck, or this test roller, and this test roller are electrified. This roller is connected to this track, and the back roller is connected to that track, and that should energize the system. Even though it's isolated wheel here, this wheel will be bringing up the positive, and this wheel will be bringing up the negative, and we will get track power. So we have the headlight, front truck is rolling backwards, and the rear truck is rolling backwards. We ratchet, now the back truck is rolling forwards, the front truck is rolling forwards, excuse me, and the headlight's on. So it's operating in its normal mode with AC power to the track only. The track power is coming up to these rollers, up to the wheels, axles, up to the post where it normally would run, except it's on rollers, and so you could observe your operations, you could lubricate, adjust, look for arcs and sparks, worn wires, shaky wires, check out your reverse unit, all stationary on a rolling road. Matter of adjustment on some of these, I suppose, but in any case, we're getting power, it's rolling, and it's not arcing or shorting, and we have lots of room. This is how I would put it together. Oh, you see a little arcing right there. We'll check into that. I needed some electrically conductive oil, and I don't have any. I think that might have helped if I could lubricated the rollers. But it looks pretty smooth from here. Nothing's getting abnormally hot or warm for any reason. And there we go. Test your diesels with rolling road, powered. Now these powered are black, but what we're going to do is flip that over. I think the powered are going to be red, so you'll know they have red is power, black is dead. So these are dead, these are hot. We're going to flip that color combo over so the black is powered. But that's the idea. So now you can test this. The other thing you can do is put your train on your steam engine and have the powered in the back for the tender and the non-powered in the front for the engine. That way you can run it level on the track if you want to do that. I'll make a quick video of that. I've got an engine sitting here, I think, with the tender and all that good stuff. Okay, just hold on. All right, I found one of my favorite engines, 287. My first Flyer engine was a 283, Chicago Northwest. This is it. Now this has been converted to DC. So I'm running track power, but it's going to be converted to DC and run that in the motor in the back. But what I've just now learned had to do was to separate the wheel, put the rollers in the middle, inner side of the truck, because these metal sides here will touch that roller if it hangs down. So if you put the powered roller in the center of these trucks, it powers it. You see we got the AC converted to DC. We're running LEDs for that. We're running a straight motor. Oh my God. We still have smoke in here. Oh, isn't that great? Oh yeah, man. This is a good engine. Look at that, boy. It's snappy, reverse, everything. And all the power is coming from the track through the rollers. So you can run a diesel or a steam engine on these rollers. That's pretty nice. Forward. There's reverse. I got ahead of it. You can't click it too fast. And it's a smoker. Not too shabby. Okay. That's what I got done today for Mr. Ed Golden Hands. Hope you like it. Hope it solves your question and you can tell me what you want next. Later.